Yo, hello and welcome back. In this part 2, we fix the mistakes. कितना करना है, कितना हार्ड करना है, wobbly machine वाले setups या थोड़े stable नहीं है चीजें, and why your hamstrings never feel properly pumped like arms या chest वाले workouts के बाद जैसे आप feel करते हो. And by the end, you will know exactly how to toast them and finally get that damn my legs feel different wala workout effects while knowing exactly what might be going wrong and what can be done better. If you missed part 1, go do check it out after this. I break down why hamstrings are one of the most underrated muscles. Not in general, we never do general stuff, specifically for safety, performance, and aesthetics.
क्वांटिटी 9 out of 10 लोग जिनसे आई हैव आस्क्ड के हाउ मेनी सेट्स डू यू डू फॉर हैमस्ट्रिंग कर्ल्स व्हिच आर द मोस्ट फोकस्ड एक्सरसाइजेस फॉर हैमस्ट्रिंग कर्ल even better than some deadlifts and stuff. Seated ho ya lying wale hamstring curls ho. Most people have replied that they only do about 3 to 4 main working sets of 10 to 12 and wo 10 to 12 पे kind of रुक जाते हैं. But back machine पे you can observe many a times that you've got a lot more left in tank and tired तो होते भी नहीं हो. Many a times okay hamstrings थोड़ा stiff होगा तो आप fatigue हो जाते हो but then you're not really tired after that set. And this is really less on non-deadlift days. But deadlift वाले days पे भी थोड़ा सा acceptable है. Now why is this really less and where am I going towards? I think you can guess it. But unless आपके sets ultra super duper duper effective है, and that depends on your experience, feel, soreness, etc. Most of us can use extra 1 or 2 working sets of those focused hamstring वाले machine stuff, and then you'll know how much pump, feels and soreness you were actually leaving on the table. This is because most hamstring machines ऐसे होते हैं कि आपको full intensity and proper connection feel होगा ही नहीं after the sets because 1 to 2 minutes में your hamstrings again feel as good as new. Now this I'm sure notice किया होगा. Take a strong minute and think how many times have you felt that this curls वाला set was just okay and you usually do this as accessory exercise. Why do you do it as accessory? Because it just doesn't feel as intense as the other stuff that you do, the compound stuff. Okay, ठीक ठाक डिफरेंस तो होना ही है बिकॉज वो कंपाउंड है बट वो फोकस मसल तो फटीग होना चाहिए. कितने बार हो रहा है ऑन डेज यू हैव गुड एनर्जी गेट दोस 2 or 3 extra working sets which makes it like 4 to 6 working sets. Even like when you're busy चलो 1 to 2 sets तो बढ़ा ही सकते हो to just toast them. अब लेट्स गो टू क्वालिटी. थोड़ा सा डेप्थ है बट वेरी क्विक स्टफ. 2 चीज हैंडल करने हैं विच इज स्टेबिलिटी एंड स्ट्रेच एंड इसमें आई यूज एग्जांपल्स ऑफ द स्पेसिफिक एक्सरसाइजेस सो दैट आज ट्राई कर सकते हो आप. So many people I've trained feel that hamstring curls वाले मशीन में या तो fully wonky लगता है या लूज या बॉटम पे या टॉप पे हैमस्ट्रिंग कर्ल मशीन के लूज लग रहा है. थ्रू आउट द रेंज बाइसेप वाले एक्सरसाइजेस जैसे आपको वो एंगेजमेंट फील नहीं होता ये हैमस्ट्रिंग वाले मशीन एंड इसके क्विक फिक्सेस है विच इज टेक अ नोट. नंबर 1 on the seated leg curl machine adjust the back rest and नीचे वाला pads जो आपके hamstring के आपके shins के यहाँ है so that you can sit behind enough but थोड़ा या काफी bend करना है आपको आपका torso. This is because if you sit back आराम से recline करके आपके hamstrings का जो upper end है which is attached to your glutes वो fully stretch नहीं होने वाला and again loose and wonky feel होगा at some point of the exercise if not all of it. Plus it's not so ideal full potential and force use करने hamstring में जो है. Number 2 on the नीचे वाला पैड adjust the setting such that जब stretch या squeeze करो at any point slack नहीं होना चाहिए थोड़ा सा भी in the lower part of your leg या आपको वो थोड़ा सा जो wonky लगता है at the when you squeeze it fully your legs वो टॉप पे थोड़ा सा कभी-कभी wonky लग जाता है या ऐसा थोड़ा गैप आ जाता है आपके shins के पीछे वो नहीं होना चाहिए. Now for this what you can do which is the number 3 here is use a pad around the knees or under your calf ankle area as I've shown right here. Number 4. Now if you're doing a lying wala leg pull try adding a yoga mat after making it पहले thickly fold कर लो उसको and वो thighs के नीचे lying leg curl में रख लो and squeeze your thighs into the pad and the yoga mat while doing it. Firstly don't forget to adjust the नीचे वाला shin pads also before you do this so that दोनों side से बिल्कुल भी लूजी वूजी नहीं होगा and your curls will be damn stable.
So now you know how to stop leaving that little or big hamstring pump on the table and how to truly lock into hamstring machines like a pro, and hopefully from part 1 how and why do you need it as well. But very little of all of this matters if your king of hamstring moves which is either a Romanian deadlift or a stiff legged deadlift जो भी आप करते हो for your hamstrings and glutes aren't even feeling it or they don't even hit your hamstrings. That's why part 3 is the most important one yet, which comes in next week. And if you missed part 1, watch it first because then the whole series will really click into place. Of course, share this with a friend, subscribe for sure and leave a comment around any of this or what I should next capture for this specific series or anything at all if you're a friend or a family. Cheers and good luck.